Isn't it frustrating when you're in a hurry to charge your phone or connect your laptop to the TV and you're stuck wrestling with a messy jungle of cables? Well, the solution is right here in your bathroom's waste bin. All you need are those empty toilet paper rolls. Firstly, gather all your messy cables. Now, instead of throwing away your empty toilet paper rolls, collect them. Label each roll with the type of cable you plan to store: HDMI cable, phone charger, Ethernet wire. Now, gently roll up your cables and slide them into the labeled toilet paper rolls, and voila! Your cable chaos just transformed into a neat, easily accessible lineup. Hello to tidy desk spaces and goodbye to needless stress. Give this cable organization hack a try. Trust us, your future self will thank you. We've all been there. It's early in the morning, you're groggy, and all you want is some toast with your favorite jam. But oh no, the jar is sealed tighter than Fort Knox. You twist, turn, and wrestle, but it simply refuses to budge. It's a breakfast nightmare come true. But don't worry, we have an incredible hack that'll turn this battle into a breezy win. All you need is a common household item, a thick rubber band. With a simple step, transform your struggle into a success. Just wrap the rubber band tightly around the jar lid. It gives you the extra grip and leverage that you need without all the huffing and puffing. With your newly retrofitted jar, now watch as the lid twists off with ease. Hear that cheerful pop? That's the sound of victory, a jar well open. No more abandoned breakfasts or frustrating mornings. This simple yet ingenious trick will save your day and your toast. So next time, remember, don't wrestle, just twist and toast. Say goodbye to tedious and finger-staining garlic peeling. It's time for some garlic peel magic. In this kitchen hack, we replace the knife with a jar, creating an effortless and practically magical garlic peeling experience. Watch as we fill this unassuming jar with plump, unpeeled garlic cloves. Ready to see the magic happen? We're about to transform this chore into a flash. No sorcery required. We secure the lid tightly and let the shaking begin. Can you hear that? The rattle, the pop, and the rustic melody of peeling garlic? The powerful sound lets you know the magic is working. In a matter of mere 10 seconds, yes, you heard it right, only 10 seconds, our garlic cloves are peel-free and ready to use. Peeling garlic feels like a hassle no more, thanks to a bit of garlic peel magic. Closet chaos. We've all been there. You're rushing to get ready, but your favorite shirt is on the floor because it slid off the hanger. Again. In today's quick hack, I'm going to show you how to solve this annoying problem using something you probably have in your junk drawer right now. Rubber bands. Yes, those elastic buddies are going to turn your ordinary hangers into non-slip saviors. Say goodbye to untidy piles of clothes because a rubber band will make your hanger grip onto your clothes like a trusty friend. Watch carefully as I wrap this rubber band around both ends of the hanger. And voila, we have got ourselves a DIY non-slip hanger. So next time when you are rushing off for work, your favorite shirt will be right there on the hanger waiting for you. This simple, cost-effective solution makes life that much easier. Who knew a simple rubber band hack could bring so much peace to our daily routine? Are you tired of always picking up your favorite pieces of clothing off the closet floor because your hangers just can't seem to provide the grip you need? Say goodbye to that daily hassle. Welcome to Hanger Magic, No More Slipping, where we transform ordinary hangers into extraordinary non-slip saviors right before your eyes. And in just a few easy steps. All you'll need are hangers and rubber bands, that's right. No expensive gadgets or tricky techniques. As we wrap these bands around both ends of your hanger, watch as it turns into a magical anti-slip solution for your wardrobe. With this simple trick, your clothes will stay exactly where they should be, hanging neatly in your closet, waiting for their turn to shine. No more clothing clutter, no more morning headaches, just the simple magic of rubber bands and hangers. Get ready to tackle your day with every piece of clothing in its rightful place. Ever found yourself in a pickle, struggling to open a stubborn jar lid? You twist and turn and grit your teeth, but that darn lid just won't budge. Well, we've got a lifesaver trick all set to revolutionize your kitchen escapades. It's the ultimate hack you've been waiting for. Seal breaker, the spoon trick. You see, nestled in your kitchen drawer lies a magic wand, an ordinary spoon. There are no fancy maneuvers, no wrist-twisting acrobatics. Just a simple flick of a spoon can unleash deliciousness in seconds. All you need to pop open the tightest of seals is your trusty spoon. Just slide it under the lid, apply a little pressure, and voila, you've broken the seal. With the seal breaker, the spoon trick. Wave goodbye to your jar opening woes. It's not just a tool, it's a game changer. So kitchen warriors, are you ready to unseal the mystery and let the flavors flow? Isn't it frustrating when your bananas turn from yellow to brown way too quickly? You've just bought a fresh bunch, and before you know it, they're overripe. But don't stress, we have a snazzy kitchen hack. Wrapping the stem of your bananas in plastic wrap can seriously slow down the ripening process. We know it sounds too good to be true, but this Roger life hack could be your new banana routine. All you need is your bunch and some good old plastic wrap. Now let's get wrapping. Watch closely as we demonstrate step by step, and be sure to stay tuned in for the magic as we reveal a time lapse of just how much freshness is retained with this cool trick. Say goodbye to brown, mushy bananas, and hello to golden, perfect to eat ones. Follow us for more kitchen hacks that will make your life just a tad bit easier. Good news for those who constantly lose their phone amidst the clutter. Broken phone stand? Don't worry, we've got you covered with an eco-friendly DIY solution. All you need is an empty toilet paper roll and some creativity. Yes, you heard right, a toilet paper roll. Ever imagined your trash could be this valuable? A cell phone holder from a toilet paper roll? It's as easy as 1, 2, 3. Picture this, a stylish, functional phone stand that draws the eye and sparks conversation. Not to mention, it will satisfy that side of yours that wishes to be more environmentally conscious. In this video, we'll walk you through a few simple steps to turn your waste into something wonderful. So grab your empty toilet paper roll and put on your creativity caps. It's time for some toilet paper transformations. Hello, everyone. Tangled Cables taking over your workspace or drawer. No more hassle. We have an inventive and easy solution that will turn this mess into a visually satisfying piece of organization. All you need are some empty toilet paper rolls, a marker, and of course, your chaotic tangle of cords. First, take each cable and wind it neatly into a loop thin enough to fit within the diameter of the toilet paper roll. Once done, slip the coiled cable into the roll. Use your marker to label each roll so you know that tangled headphones or that elusive phone charger is always within easy reach. In a few minutes, you can turn a messy corner into a neatly arranged lineup of ready-to-use organized cables. And voila! Who knew those humble toilet paper rolls had this hidden talent? Join us in this declutter revolution and say goodbye to messy cables for good. Coming home from a long day, you prepare a warm bath and light your favorite fragrant candle, kicking off the perfect evening. But oh no, the wax spills over, ruining your beloved wooden table. Fret not, because we've got a wax-tastic solution for you. Just using two things, heat and paper. First, place a sheet of paper over the wax spill. Then grab your iron and heat it to a moderate temperature. Lightly glide the iron over the paper. Watch as the wax magically absorbs onto the paper, leaving your surface as good as new. The best part? It's so satisfying. It's like therapy. A close-up shot highlights the melting wax, while a slow-motion reveal uncovers the spotless surface sneak peek. Life's too short for stubborn wax stains. So next time you end up with a spill, remember this fantastic wax-away trick.